Hey guys, so this is my first day trying my Amare Happy Juice. Today I mixed it with a smoothie and added some water. Now there's 3 different parts to it. All 3 are powders. One you put in water and the other 2 you put in a smoothie or milk or water. Now I found out today that using a smoothie doesn't work very well because I actually had to chuck it in the blender because it was all chunky. But in the end it turned out, and this stuff actually tastes pretty good. So far I'm feeling like I have more energy. So it's definitely helping in that regard. One of the products in it is supposed to help with energy. And yeah, so far I'm feeling really good. Now I'm going to show you what the Amare Happy Juice includes. So as you can see, I'm on the Amare Global website, and this is what the Happy Juice includes. It includes Amare Edge, Energy Plus, Mental Energy and Motivation, and it includes Mentabiotics, which is for your brain. Now the Amare Edge that I got came in little packets instead of a container, but it's the same thing. And yeah, so far, like I said, I feel like I have more energy, so that's a good sign. And I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'm going to do a daily video on how I'm feeling with the Amare Happy Juice.